following you for some time, and it's been wonderful. I remember you took me, you handheld me through the Meta Futures bot, and which was my first intro into the futures market. So I really thank you for the support so far, the mentorship, and like for those of us in this boot camp, I know what it takes for me to do the assignments, for those of us having 9 to 5 job, and for this November, it's been a very peak period, and it's very demanding as per my work. But I thank you for the discipline, and at least many of us, we need, even though we can't meet up by 4 p.m., sometimes I try to do it, and I give my apologies. So it's been a wonderful experience. I must thank you for the consistency. That's my word. And this boot